Hi everyone, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to get Screencastify as an extension on your browser. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to Google Chrome. Once we get there, we want to go and make sure that we are signed into our browser. We can tell that we're signed in the upper right corner. If you hover over, you should see your name. If you don't, just make sure you go ahead and sign in. Next, we're going to head to the Chrome Web Store. There's two different ways that you can get there. If you see this apps button in the corner over here, if we click there, we can access the web store from there. Or if you don't see that there, that's okay. We can just type in Chrome Web Store in our browser, and we'll just click on that first one there. We're going to search the store for Screencastify. Screencastify should be the first one that pops up. It's kind of orange. And we're going to go ahead and add it to our Chrome. We're going to pop up. We want to make sure that we add the extension. You'll see it getting added down here, possibly. Once it has been added, though, you'll notice that you get a new little icon up in the top of your browser. We're going to go ahead and close that pop-up and then click on Screencastify. That'll take us to go ahead and sign in. We want to make sure we sign in with Google, and if you're signed into your browser, you shouldn't have any problem with it. Just select your name. It'll probably ask you some questions. I've had Screencastify before, but you're probably going to need to put in that you're a teacher and all that fun stuff. So we want to make sure that we have the camera and microphone enabled, and if we want to do any drawing on it, we're going to allow that information. And we definitely want to make sure that we allow it over here. We want it to be able to use the microphone and the camera. And now we're ready to record. If you wanted to watch this tutorial that they have provided here, you can feel free to watch that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click back on the Screencastify extension to see, and you can see they're going over it here too, but there's different ways that you can record your screen. You can record just a tab, you can record the entire desktop like I'm doing right now, or you can record webcam. If you decide you want to record yourself, you would use the webcam, but you can also embed the webcam in your browser by selecting which corner you want it to go in right here. So you can decide if you want to have your picture in the screen as well. As soon as you're ready, you hit record, and once you're recording, there'll be a spot where you pause as well. It counts you down before you record. Other settings that you might want to consider. If we head over here to options, so again, we were on what we call either the hamburger or the Oreo or the hot dog. Everybody's got different names for it. So, but if we click on that, we're going to go to options. And we want to make sure that it goes to Google Drive. And we want to get rid of this. We don't want it to pause recordings on low disk space. And we're all set. You guys can start recording. Thanks.